Hey guys, this is Eddie with WTI. Now, if you're into making cocktails and you want to make sure that your measurements are on point, you need to get yourself a really good jigger. And I highly recommend this one right here. Now, a couple of features of it that I like. First of all, it's stainless steel, so it's built to last. Also, it's got two different measuring sizes. If you notice, it has a bigger end that holds a 2-ounce pour. And if you flip it around, you're gonna notice it has a 1-ounce pour, which is perfect, especially if you're making yourself, let's say in this case, a daiquiri. You wanna use the 2-ounce pour for perhaps like rum. You go ahead and rum it, and then you put on the other end simple syrup on the 1-ounce pour. Put it in the shaker, give it a good shake, and you're gonna have yourself a great tasting daiquiri. Now, this jigger, like I've said, is fantastic. It's a great traveling size. It's great to have in the home bar. It looks attractive, and it does a great job of making sure your cocktails come out perfect. And that's my point of view.